name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to make an attendance sheet in Microsoft Excel. So here I've got a kind of a sample attendance sheet made up. It's got 3 people in it, so pretty small class. It's pretty elite. Everybody can't get into it. I'm going to move that down just a little bit and put a date up here. So say June 2nd, 2067. Make that a 0. There we go. All right. And we've got our people here with the first name and the last name. Let's say attended, Y, and no, he's the problem right there. Jim, he's got issues. So we're going to select this, and we're just going to select the names. And what we can do is we can come over to Sort and Filter and Custom Sort. And so here we can decide to sort by first name or last name or what have you. So remember, Jim's the problem. He didn't attend today. So let's say we're going to sort it by last name. So you're calling out the person by their family name instead of their first name. So we'll say we're going to sort this A to Z. Say OK. And we're actually going to do that again so that we can sort this Z to A, because I accidentally put those in the right order. So let's say OK. And there you go. Jim Walters is still the problem, but he's at the top of the list. And the others have automatically sorted themselves with the correct attendance data. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to create an attendance sheet in Microsoft Excel. I'm Josiah Ray.